Oatmeal pumpkin seed muffin cake in the toaster oven, version 2. Dr. John A. Allocca. July 5, 24. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. 3 cups water. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 3/4 cup sunflower oil. 1/2 cup honey. 1 cup whole pumpkin seeds. 1 cup rolled oats. 5 cups organic unbleached white flour. 1 teaspoon xanthan gum. 2 tablespoons baking powder. In a bowl, add water, salt, oil, and honey. Mix well with a wooden spoon or electric mixer on low speed. Add remaining ingredients. Mix well. Toaster oven, 1500 to 1800 watts. Spoon out onto a very lightly oiled 10 by 13 by 2.5 inch baking pan or use parchment paper. Bake for 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or until the top is brown. Cool on a wire rack. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on the Andromeda Connection, a journey to physical and mental wellness.